Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Mac or iOS device runs a supported version and Airport utility is installed. Plug the Airport into power, then use an Ethernet cable from modem to the WAN port so the base station has internet access. Open Airport utility and let it detect the device. Once detected, select it and choose Edit to begin. You do this because direct wired connection avoids double NAT and speeds discovery, so start configuring immediately. Once done with initial detection, you move into Settings. Name the base station and pick a clear SSID so devices find it quickly. Set a strong WPA2/WPA3 password for security. In network settings, choose router mode depending on your setup, DHCP and NAT if the Airport will route, or off for bridge mode behind another router. Then tune wireless options. Pick a less crowded channel, enable both 2, 4 and 5 GHz as needed, and confirm security to prevent unauthorized access. To finish, update the firmware and Airport utility so you get stability and security fixes, then click Update to apply settings. The base station will reboot. After reboot, verify devices connect and test internet pages to confirm routing and DNS. Make sure IP addresses match your expected range. If things go wrong, first restart the modem and Airport, check for DHCP conflicts, and only then perform a soft reset. This preserves settings while resolving persistent connection or discovery failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.